In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter and import Robinhood 1099 into TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is sign in to your TurboTax account, and then you want to go to TurboTax Tax Home over here on the left. There we go. And then once you are here, you want to first fill in your personal info. So click on personal info and then click on either start, pick up where you left off, or review and edit, and make sure everything is correct. After this, you want to go down here to wages and income, and you want to click on that, and it's going to say either start, continue, or pick up where you left off. So you want to click one of those blue buttons, and for me, it's going to be this one. And then you'll be directed to this site where you can see, let me just get out of here so I'll show you how it looks like in a second. So I have to go back. There we go. So you'll see your income over here. Now, what you should do is look for this part which says investments and savings, and then a bunch of different 1099 forms over here. So you should click start next to it, or click add/edit, whichever you have. If you've never done this, you will see the start button just like these over here. It's the same one essentially. But if you can't see investment and savings, what you should do is actually go down here and then search for it. So as you can see, it's here, investments and savings, and then you can start from here. So of course, as I said, we're going to now start or add/edit. So click that. And from here, it's going to ask you, did you have investment income in 2024? Scroll down. If you did, press yes. And it may ask you one or two more questions. Just answer with yes or no to those. And after you do, you will see it will say, let's import your tax info. And here you can already see is where you can actually import your Robinhood 1099. So you want to click on Robinhood, which is for me the first option. If you can't see it, simply click on search by name and type in Robinhood, and then click on Robinhood. Now from here, as you can see, what you'll have to do is to get your forms, you will have to put in, as you can see, it says over here, will protect your sign-in info and use it only to get your forms. And you can then use your 9-digit Robinhood account number. You can see it says top right of cover page, and then it says 11-digit document ID, top right of cover page. So you'll just have to essentially put this in. So put this in and then this in as well. And after you've basically done these two, what you have to do is click on Get My Form. You'll be able to connect with Robinhood, and after that, you'll be able to enter and import the Robinhood 1099 form into TurboTax. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.